It's finally fall, the leaves are changing color, and they're all dumping into your yard right now, and if you're still grabbing a rake every weekend, you're wasting hours of your life that you'll never get back. But here's the problem with most cordless blowers: they either die after 10 minutes or they don't have enough power to move wet leaves stuck to the grass. We spent the last month testing every major cordless leaf blower on the market, from the lightweight yard tools to the absolute monsters that claim they can blow rocks, running them until the batteries died, measuring wind speed, and seeing which ones actually clear a soaked driveway without breaking a sweat. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best cordless leaf blowers of 2026, and trust me, what number 1 did to a pile of soaking wet oak leaves left our entire team speechless, so let's clear the air. Starting at number 1. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. Best overall. The best cordless leaf blower should be convenient, easy to handle, and strong enough to move leaves and other debris, and our top pick, the Ego Cordless Leaf Blower Kit, does all that and more. With its 670 CFM turbo mode, it easily clears everything from its path, whether grass clippings or stuck on debris. Our tester Daniela was amazed by its power and intuitive controls. This leaf blower is easy to use, with a dial that adjusts the power level and a button to activate the turbo mode. It is also easy to assemble with just 2 pieces to snap together, plus charging and inserting the battery. The turbo mode's roar is a little loud, but the lower speeds are quiet enough to carry on a conversation and strong enough for wrangling grass clippings. Daniela typically uses the highest setting, in turbo mode, however, which reduces the run time to about 22 minutes, it's about 90 minutes on low. The one thing our tester isn't happy with is that the turbo button isn't a toggle switch, you need to hold it down to keep turbo mode active. That can get tiring, but she thinks the extra power is worth it, especially when encountering hard-to-reach leaves trapped between the house and the air conditioner compressor. This cordless leaf blower is a bit heavy, almost 10 pounds without the battery, so it's best suited for tidying up smaller yards, pathways, and gardens. Daniela doesn't find it too tiring to use for about 20 minutes at a time after months of testing, but you may prefer something lighter or a wearable model, like our best backpack, battery-powered pick, if you have more than half an acre of yard to deal with. Number 2. Milwaukee Brushless Cordless Handheld Blower. Most quiet. Typically, you need to choose between power and quiet operation or power and a lightweight build, but this leaf blower has it all. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel is the quietest model we tried, both gas and electric, while still providing enough power to deal with wet leaves. Our tester Dave uses this leaf blower in his large yard filled with trees that tend to drop leaves everywhere. It is very effective at clearing wet and dry leaves, grass clippings, twigs, and all sorts of other debris. Dave clears his driveway and walkway after mowing quickly and with little effort. The powerful airflow is particularly impressive, but the downside is that it's tough to use this blower precisely. It has plenty of raw power, but the huge wall of wind doesn't allow you to move leaves short distances or to a specific area. If you want more precision, you can buy M18 nozzle attachments that help with that. It's already pricier than many of our other options, even without the separate purchase, but it's well worth the price for how quiet, powerful, and lightweight it is. Dave loves the long battery life provided by this blower. Many of our recommendations, like our best overall, use a 4Ah battery, but this one uses Milwaukee's heavy-duty 6Ah batteries, which are enough to tackle huge yards full of wet leaves. Number 3. RYOBI 40V Brushless Backpack Blower. Best backpack, battery-powered. This powerful RYOBI leaf blower is the best battery-powered backpack option, with a comfortable strap design, flexible tubing for precise control, and powerful airflow backed by dual batteries. Leaf blowers get heavier and heavier the more powerful they are, so the number one thing we look for in a big backpack model is a comfortable strap setup. This model never feels uncomfortable or fatiguing during extended use, despite tipping the scales at over 20 pounds. This leaf blower is equipped for very large yards, with one of the highest airflow ratings we tested, paired with a similarly high airspeed rating. In practice, that allows it to blow deep piles of dry leaves from around tree trunks and tight spots around our grassy backyard. The flexible blower tube provides precise control to go with raw power, allowing us to quickly move leaves from tight crevices. Number 4. EGO Power Plus Variable Speed Leaf Blower. Best for large yards. Large yards, half an acre or more, take a long time to clean up, so your leaf blower needs a lot of battery power to avoid constant recharging. The EGO Power Plus LB7654 delivers in a big way, with a huge 5.0-watt battery that really keeps it going for 90 minutes. If you're tired of dealing with battery swaps, long extension cords, or smelly exhaust fumes, this leaf blower delivers an exceptionally long runtime without any of those downsides. This leaf blower is a little heavy, but it comes with a shoulder strap that helps alleviate stress in your arms. It's comfortable to use for long sessions of 20 minutes or more, although you'll probably feel fatigued if you run it for 90 minutes until the battery dies. If you have a big yard, that's where it really shines, since the long battery life, comfortable strap, and powerful range allow you to tidy up a larger area more quickly and with less effort. Number 5. Husqvarna 2-Cycle Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. Best backpack, gas. The Husqvarna 150BT is our favorite gas-powered backpack because of its powerful airflow, comfortable and ergonomic design, and runtime that battery-powered options can't match. Our tester Mike used it over 800 square feet of flat terrain covered in grass clippings and leaves, and he was impressed by its performance and comfort. During 3 months of testing, Mike found himself strapping it on once or twice each week to keep up with a variety of tasks around the yard. This is a powerful leaf blower, which is why it's suitable for even the biggest of jobs. Mike can tidy his yard in record time with no issues moving even heavy, wet leaves, so it's the ideal option if you have a large amount of land with lots of trees. This leaf blower is pretty loud, with a maximum noise output of 110 dB, far louder than any electric leaf blower. It's also powerful enough that safety equipment, like protective gear for your ears and eyes, is warranted. It kicked up so much dust and grit when we used it on concrete surfaces that you may even want a full face shield. Now you know which cordless blower deserves a spot in your garage, whether you need a lightweight model for quick walkways or a beast that clears acres in minutes. All the links are in the description with the best 2026 prices, so grab yours before they sell out. If this test saved you from buying an underpowered blower, smash like, share with your neighbor still using gas from 2010, and subscribe. We're testing leaf vacuums next week. Want to see which attachment turns your blower into a complete cleanup system? Click the video right here, your back will thank you.